Are you a teenager dreaming of financial freedom? Or maybe you're a parent wanting to set your kids on the right financial path. In today's fast-paced world where money moves quicker than ever, investing isn't just for adults anymore. It's time to equip the next generation with the tools they need to thrive. Stick around because what you're about to learn could set you up for life. And trust me, the earlier you start, the better. When it comes to building wealth, time is your greatest ally, and if you're a teenager, your most powerful weapon is the gift of time. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and the sooner you start, the more it works in your favor. Imagine starting with just $100 a month at age 15 versus waiting until you're 25. That 10-year head start could translate into hundreds of thousands of dollars by the time you reach 65. In 2024, it's even easier for teens to get started. Thanks to apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Cash App Investing, teens can begin their investment journey with as little as a few dollars by purchasing fractional shares. These platforms allow you to own a piece of companies like Apple, Google, or even Tesla without needing hundreds of dollars up front. The key takeaway here is, start early and let time do the heavy lifting for you. Now, when it comes to making money, the opportunities for teenagers today are far more diverse than just mowing lawns or babysitting. Thanks to the digital economy, side hustles are not only easier to find, but also more lucrative. For example, teens today can monetize social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. If you're good at creating content, you could easily start earning money through ads, sponsorships, or even Patreon. In 2024, freelancing opportunities have exploded. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow teenagers to offer services like graphic design, video editing, and social media management. And let's not forget the gaming world. If you're into gaming, you can stream on Twitch or upload gaming content to YouTube and build a following that brings in income. The important thing is to not just trade time for money, but find ways to create passive income streams. Start by trying different side hustles and see which ones can grow into something bigger. Understanding how money works is the foundation for smart investing, and fortunately, financial education has never been more accessible. In 2024, teens can take free online courses through platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy, learning everything from budgeting to stock market basics. You can also dive into finance podcasts or follow finance influencers on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, where financial literacy content is being tailored specifically for Gen Z. However, with the abundance of information comes the risk of misinformation. Make sure you're following credible sources and always fact check. In today's world, learning the basics isn't just about reading books anymore. It's about staying up to date with the rapidly changing financial landscape, and that means making the most of the resources available at your fingertips. Once you have a handle on financial basics, it's time to put your money to work by building an investment portfolio. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is chasing hot stocks or trying to time the market. A smarter approach, especially for teens just starting out, is to focus on long-term strategies like investing in index funds or ETFs, which provide broad exposure to many stocks at once, reducing your risk. In 2024, thematic ETFs have made it even easier for young investors to align their portfolios with their interests. If you're passionate about technology, clean energy, or even video games, there are ETFs that allow you to invest in these sectors without the need to pick individual stocks. This not only helps diversify your portfolio, but also ensures you're investing in what you understand. Make sure to look for funds with low fees, as these can significantly impact your returns over the long term. Managing your money is just as important as earning and investing it. Budgeting might not seem like the most exciting part of personal finance, but it's the foundation that will keep you from making costly mistakes. As a teen, you likely don't have many expenses, but learning to budget early is key to staying out of debt in the future. Apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget or Mint, can help you track your spending and savings goals. In 2024, with inflation and rising living costs, budgeting is more important than ever. New tools tailored specifically for teens, like Step, which offers a banking app with integrated budgeting tools, can help you get a head start on managing your money. By learning to budget now, you'll be in a much stronger financial position when you face bigger expenses down the line, like college or buying your first car. Investing as a teenager can seem intimidating, but the tools and opportunities available today make it easier than ever to get started. Remember, the key to building wealth is starting early, staying consistent, and focusing on long-term goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop any questions in the comments, and let's grow your financial future together.